Hello everyone and welcome to Process Pro. My name is Ashik. So today we'll be going through the first video of the Process Pro. In this video we'll be discussing about automation. Okay, so if you're still doing things manually, I hate to break it to you that it's a problem and you need to save your time. So today let's talk about automation, what it is, why it's important, what you should automate and what you should not automate, and finally we'll end with the like a list of no code tools that I prefer and I feel gives everyone the advantage in today's day and age. So and of course you don't need to be a developer to do all of this. You need to understand some amount of code, but not heavy coding. So okay, so let's jump into it. Okay, and of course please press the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And so let's get to it. So automation 101, what to automate, what not to automate, and what are the best no code tools. So what is automation? So automation refers to the use of technology, software, or machines to perform tasks with minimal human intervention. So basically with minimum human intervention you'll be doing the task. Like I said, it'll make your life a lot more easier, be it like sending emails, repetitive emails to people, sending quotes, any kind of thing. So why automate? Because it reduces manual effort so that you can focus on strategy and creativity. It'll boost your accuracy so that any human errors that occur in your process will be eliminated. Then it'll reduce your cost as there'll be fewer manual tasks. You need to hire fewer people to do such tasks, and it'll of course improve the efficiency, and you'll get done less and you'll get done more in less time. So what to automate? So identifying the tasks that you need to automate is crucial. Generally what I would say is you need to have good processes so that you can automate them. You need to identify what your processes are and how they are set up so that it's easier to automate them. So look for tasks that are repetitive and predictable, the time consuming tasks, anything that is rule based, anything if else and or kind of a situation. You can always use automation. And anything with high error rates. So if like things like reports and stuff like that, where there tends to be a lot of human error, that can be automated. Some examples are social media scheduling, invoice generation, payment reminders, meeting scheduling, and customer feedback collection. So I think that covers it all. What not to automate, equally important, if not more important, because you'll waste a lot of time if you're trying to automate things that should not be automated. Take anything that requires the human touch is something that should not be automated. Okay, so high stake decisions, one-on-one client interactions, tasks that change frequently, and the creative process. Okay, so you can see many people using AI and automation for for their creative processes. I do agree that some of them do have the advantage of using it, but you cannot rely entirely on these softwares. You have to be able to think on your own. You have to have your own idea so that it actually has some value. So those things you should not automate at all. So that's why it's better to rely on the human creativity process and rather than to actually automate those kind of things. So now coming to the best no code tools that I feel are great. First is Notion. So Notion is almost everything. You can use Notion as your CRM. You can use Notion as a replacement for your Google tools. Okay, so Notion is a all-in-one software where you can organize your things very nicely, be it personal or professional. So Notion definitely lies among the top tools that one should use. Okay, then comes make.com. Make.com is basically the software that will help us automate and connect all of these softwares. So make.com is the platform where all of these apps will be connected, or APIs will be connected. Next is Framer. If you're a designer and you like building amazing websites, look into Framer. It allows you to change your Figma designs into HTML and publish them directly. So Framer is a really good site that you can use for website building, and they have crazy animation. Some of the websites that you can see on Framer are the best websites available so far. Then Slack, for any kind of notifications, we should use Slack. Then OpenAI, of course, ChatGPT, OpenAI is required for achieving most of the tasks, be it a writing task, be it generating a piece of code for your website or anything that you're doing. Even within Notion, if you want Notion formulas, you can use ChatGPT to generate these Notion formulas or Excel formulas. Even to write JSON code when you're working in make.com. Then comes Canva, of course. Canva, everyone knows Canva. Right now I'm using Canva to present this PPT. So Canva is a useful tool in case of editing your photos, making creatives for social media, creating reels, various other use cases. But we're not getting heavily into content marketing here. And there's Stripe, best for all kind of payments. It integrates very well with make.com, whereas other payment gateways like PhonePe or something that I don't know if they even have an API that I can connect right now. Then Google Docs, Google Drive, and your entire Google suite is of course very useful. You can automate a lot of things using Google Docs and Google Sheets. So that covers the no-code tools, and that's it. Thank you so much for listening to this, and I hope in the upcoming videos you'll get a lot more value as we dive deeper into these automations, and we see what different tasks can be automated, what different things can be automated, and we actually dive in and learn step by step as to how to do it. Okay, so let's get into this journey. I hope you all are as excited as I am, and so if you are a self-starter, if you are motivated, if you feel you have a lot of things to do and don't know how to do them, this is the channel for you. So I hope you guys got to learn something today. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe.